Derek with Eliminex, we caught a little rat. Caught a little rat here in our squirrel trap. I'm gonna have to like relocate this guy. I'm not gonna let him go on this property. This would be a pretty bad rat situation. They go right up under the siding, go up into the house. We don't want that. So I'm going to put clips on the trap here, so it doesn't get away. It's trying to squeeze out. I'm surprised it can't get its body through the grating. There we go. Hey, so he's trying to get out. You're not going to get out of there. I'm going to have to put this in the container.